Imperial Shandong steamed sea bream with ginger and scallion silk. A delicious Chinese main course recipe. This recipe serves to 4 servings. Preparation takes about 20 minutes. And cooking takes around 12 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 1 piece whole sea bream, 2 tablespoons Shaoxing rice wine, a half teaspoon sea salt, a quarter teaspoon white peppercorns, 2-inch piece fresh ginger, 4 stalks scallions, 2 sprigs cilantro, 1 piece red chili, 4 tablespoons light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar. Step 1. Rinse the sea bream thoroughly under cold water, paying special attention to the belly cavity to remove any remaining blood line along the spine. Step 2. Pat the fish completely dry with paper towels. A dry fish ensures a cleaner flavor and prevents the skin from breaking during steaming. Step 3. Make 3 diagonal slashes on both sides of the fish, cutting down to the bone. This ensures even cooking and allows flavors to penetrate. Step 4. Rub the fish inside and out with Shaoxing wine, salt, and white pepper. Let it marinate for 10 minutes at room temperature. Step 5. Prepare your steaming plate by laying down the ginger rounds and the large scallion sections to create bed for the fish. This prevents the fish from sticking and allows steam to circulate underneath. Step 6. Place the fish on top of the ginger and scallions. Stuff a few slices of ginger inside the cavity. Step 7. Set up a steamer with plenty of water and bring it to a vigorous rolling boil over high heat. Step 8. Place the plate into the steamer, cover tightly, and steam on high heat for 8 to 10 minutes. A rule of thumb is 8 minutes per pound of fish. Step 9. While the fish steams, mix the light soy sauce, sugar, and hot water in a small ball until the sugar dissolves. Step 10. Once the fish is done, the eyes should be white and popped, and the flesh opaque. Carefully remove the plate from the steamer. Step 11. Discard the steaming liquid from the plate and the cooked ginger scallions. This liquid can be fishy and is best replaced with fresh sauce. Step 12. Pile the julienne ginger, shredded scallion threads, and red chili strips on top of the fish. Step 13. In a small saucepan, heat the peanut oil and sesame oil until it just begins to smoke. Step 14. Carefully pour the sizzling oil directly over the ginger and scallions. You should hear a loud crackling sound as the aromatics release their fragrance. Step 15. Pour the prepared soy sauce mixture around the sides of the fish, not directly on top to keep the skin crispy, and garnish with fresh cilantro sprigs. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.